They say Tesla redesigned the steering for a more connected feel, but what I felt behind the wheel wasn't just new, it was unexpected. To see if this is control or just another illusion of it, so I took it out where feel matters most.
Alright, so the steering wheel of this new Tesla Model Y, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, Teslas, they already have good steering wheel, but we have the light, standard and heavy, steering width. So let's see the difference. Right now it's on standard, it feels really good, feels nice. I'm not gonna lie, I'm enjoying it, it's responsive. I put input in, I get input back. Let's put on light. Okay, let's put on standard. I'm not really, a tiny difference, resistance, tiny. Let's put on heavy. Yeah, there's no like crazy noticeable difference, light. Okay, I see it. There's a difference, but the difference is not like crazy noticeable, you know what I mean? It's there, but it's not crazy noticeable. It's not bad, but yeah, the steering wheel is tuned well. Tesla, good job.
The moment I sat inside, I could tell this wasn't just a new Tesla. So I hit record and let the car show you what I felt. Through every sound, every silence, and every mile.
Drive, and we're off. Going this way. Honestly, the suspension of the car was improved. One thing I noticed is there's no much wind noise, but we'll test that when we get on the highway. Let's go over bumps. See, it's soft, but it's not, plushy like the 2025 Honda Toyota RAV4 Honda CR-V. The Mazda is okay as well, but this is not bad. I'm not gonna lie, it's not bad. Green light. I remember last time I was in a Tesla, that's when I said the green light stuff. No car coming. Okay, we go. I'm gonna like accelerate a bit here. Everybody ready? Not bad. Why do you make that noise? Instant electric torque, man. Instant electric torque. I also like how like this steering wheel here is like flat a little bit. I like it because like when I'm turning, it's like it just goes. That steering wheel is nice as well. Change this, is on auto. Okay, you can see you can change it when you click on it. All right, so now for example, now I want to put the map to the Tesla dealership. Now I'll start doing this. See, one eye on the road, one eye off. Come here, one eye on the road, one eye off. Stash test. One eye on the road, one eye off. Put it like this. Tesla. See, that wasn't bad, but bro, still, I actually need to take my eyes off the road in order to do that and to put in self-driving. All I just got to do is wait. Let me put it at like 100. Yeah, 105 is okay, and then you just click the button here. And I don't need the sound system. You can turn it off. Thank you. And then we have self-driving. The car is driving by itself. Bro, your light is green. Let's see if it's gonna go. Your light is green. Oh, it went. Oh, nice. Okay. It went. I don't know why I'm surprised, man. At this point, just take me on the highway yourself. Take me there. Just take me on the highway. Okay. No car coming. Good. Sure, you checked. Tesla. You checked the road before you emerged. You checked? Why are you slowing down? Why did you slow down? Just give me control, man. Why did you slow down? Okay, we're supposed to go. Why is the thing not turned? How do I turn it to face me? Do you? I don't know how I'll turn it. It's 80. Okay, let's see. The steering wheel. Come here. Dynamic. Put it on light. Heavy. Slow down a bit. Oh yeah, I can notice the difference. Standard is like in between. Light, I can definitely notice the difference. All these ones, decelerations, whatnot, I don't need that. The steering wheel, you can definitely notice the difference. Is it? What's it on? See, I have to take my whole eyes off the road. Put it on standard, please. There we go. Now let's put it on. One sec, bro, I'm scared for my life. Let's put it on reduced and chill acceleration. Okay, good. Bro, it's just like the fact that I have to take my whole eyes off the road and then press on a screen. What's the difference between this and me using my phone? There's none. No difference. I think I'm turning right here.
Now turn left onto Moody.
Left. It's left. Turning left. The fact that I have to remove my eyes off the road, that's what bothers me. That's just what bothers me. Nothing else bothers me except that. And it's scary based on the fact that, like, I'm taking my eyes off the road, I'm taking my eyes off the road, I'm taking my eyes off the road. It's scary. Are you guys gonna give me way? Are you guys gonna give me way? Bro, they just keep coming. And 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 they just keep coming. Okay, here we go. Speed limit here is 80. So we're on chill right now. I'm going to press it, see if there's a difference. Ready? Yeah, there's a noticeable difference. It goes, but it's not like aggressive. And then when you go to dynamics, change it to standard. What, 50 kilometers an hour? Everybody ready? Oh, you notice it. Okay, you do. You notice it immediately. There's a clear difference, man. Oh my days. There's a clear difference. There's a clear difference between chill and standard. Bro, the difference is too clear. Why will you put it like that? Bro, oh my days. Oh my days. Push it again. Ooh, wee. There's a clear difference. I can definitely say that.
Clean lines, sharp edges, a design that speaks without saying much at all.
We have the 2025 Tesla Model Y. This car looks weird, but this is the first time of me seeing this car in person. I've not seen this car in person at all, so this is my first time seeing this car. So let's take a look around. First things first, we have this light bar from the Cybertruck. It looks so nice. It looks so good. Going on, we have, this is the main light, the main headlight. It still looks like the Model Y, like the old Model Y, but it's just refreshed, And there's now a front-facing camera as well, which is nice. We have some lines that go like this, another line. I feel like this new Tesla Model Y is more aggressive. Then we come to the side. The side looks basically the same. There's no difference in the side at all. It just looks the same, We have this 19-inch alloy wheel, I believe. No, it's 20. The 20-inch alloy wheels, alloy. There's no plastic on it. The side looks okay. There's nothing special about the side, man. There's nothing special about the side. It just looks okay. It looks normal. There's nothing special about it. We have cameras at the side as well. We have one camera there. We have one camera here as well. Nothing too crazy, nothing too special. It just looks like the old Tesla Model Y, but it's the front and the back. That's when you notice the main difference. And coming to the back, as you can see, this is all the difference, man. This is all the difference. As you can see here, we have, there's a light bar that goes on right here. Let me tell Patricia to turn it on. All right, so then if we come to the back, as you can see, this is the nice tail light, and then we have this ambient light that goes all around. Bro, everything just is cool about the car, and then, you have a small, I don't know if I want to call this a ducktail spoiler or not, but it's cool, it's calm, it's collected. It looks nice. Dual motor, as you can see right here. Bro, the car is better looking, man. I like the new style over the old one. The old one looked like a robot. This one looks way nicer. See from this angle. See this? See from this angle, bro. What the hell? Bro, it looks good, man. I'm not mad at it. If I'm to grade the whole exterior, honestly, I'll give the exterior 6 out of 10. Nah, a 7 out of 10. It's okay, it's good. It's nothing like crazy.
Not all changes in the car are visible. Some you have to feel. Tesla claims the 2026 Model Y has a re-engineered suspension, smoother, smarter, more responsive than ever before. But the question is it really better or just different?
Talk about the suspension of the new Tesla Model Y, and honestly, let's go through a bump right now. Just wait, let's go through a bump. Bro, go. Let's go through a bump. Remember, this is where I recorded my video for the 2010 for Taurus. Yeah, let's see. Okay, honestly, the steering wheel, I just went through a few bumps, drove on the road and stuff. The steering wheel is honestly good. It's not great, it's good. And the reason why I would say it's good, not great, is that if you get into the Mazda CX-5, the Honda CR-V, the Toyota RAV4, bro, the suspension in those cars, they feel like you're driving on clouds. This one is soft, it's good, but it's not there. It's not up there yet. It's okay, it's tuned okay, but it's not there yet. I wish, they could have made it a bit more cushiony, but it's not bad. Bro, this will pass for a lot of people. It will pass for a lot of people. We're going through bumps and you could feel the jolt. We just went through a little bit of like the man-o. That's what we went through, and then we could feel the jolt in the car, but it's okay. Let's take a look at the sound system of the new 2025 Tesla Model Y. I don't know if they changed, I don't know if they updated, I don't know what system is in it. When I find out, I'll put in the wherever. But let's listen to it. Hey, Billy.
This Monday.
I just hate how it sounds.
Okay, that's actually good, man. The Tesla, I don't know, something about Tesla, they just have good sound system. The sound system was awesome, it was good, it was nice. Also, what's this material here? What's this material right here? I don't know what it is, but it's nice, man. I like it. Alright, so taking a look at the interior of the 2025 Tesla Model Y refresh. This is the Juniper, whatever they call it. So here we have like ambient lighting that goes all around. Your window controls, a big copy space. This copy space is really big and it's felt, so you can put things there and it's not going to get trashed. Coming here, we have this nice heated steering wheel. You try to control most of your things here. What was that? Airbag. I pressed airbag button, I don't know why, but here we have this nice steering wheel. Horn. Sounds like a typical on, nothing too special. We have this felt material, soft touch. Here we have trafficator. We have your blinker, as other people. We have blinker here. We don't have the other stock, but they give us blinker stock, which is nice. Coming here, we have this nice touch screen that basically controls everything in the car. But one thing I like is the car is parked at an angle, and it also did that, which is really nice. You control everything here in the car. 2 wireless charging pad here. A big ass copy space is like so deep, like this are all my gears and whatnot in there. 2 cup holders here, and another big ass storage, man. Like, bro, there's so much storage in the Tesla. All right, so if you come to the back seat here, we have ambient light that goes to the back. It continues from the front all the way to the back. Another big ass cubby here. Your back seat pocket here is good size, and look, we have good amount of space. 3 fingers. Headroom is great, man, with the panoramic sunroof, which is nice. The new Tesla Model Y has a screen that you can put your radio, you can play movies there, you can play games, you can even control your climate. The last old Tesla Model Y did not have this screen, but this one has your vents here, 2 USB-C, another back pocket, and 2 cup holders. The back seat here is quite spacious, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if it's the panoramic roof that's giving it that effect, but it looks really nice and it feels really nice. If I'm to grade the interior of the Tesla Model Y, the 2025 Tesla Model Y, I'm gonna honestly give it 8 out of 10. It's basic, it's minimal, but it gets the job done.
It's quiet, open, almost deceptively spacious. Like the cabin was designed to make you breathe differently. But does the space actually work for real life? Or is it just another illusion of minimalism?
Just the overall view in the car, the overall feel in the car, and honestly, this 2025 Tesla Model Y, I don't know if it's because of this panoramic sunroof or what, but it just makes the car feel very, very roomy. The view from the front is great, the view from the side is great, the view from the rear, not the best, I'm not gonna lie. It's not the best, it's okay, but it's not the best. But honestly, except from that, bro, I'm enjoying this car. Watch it, man. The whole interior is well made. It's spacious. If you enter the back seat, it's so nice in the back seat. It feels like I can sit down there on a road trip and not even complain about nothing. There's a screen, you can do everything you want. Everything is nice. Everything is good. Just nice. I see why this is the best-selling SUV for Tesla, or the best-selling vehicle for Tesla, man.
Look. Life of a legend, just a day in the life. Might slide on ya, I ain't staying the night. I ain't pick cards, I'm just playing them right.
Alright, so let's take a look at the trunk space of the new Tesla Model Y. You just push a button, it's powered, obviously. If it's not powered, then I don't know what they are doing. We have this, I never understand how to work this thing, man, but bro, you have a trunk space, I don't know, no spare tire, just more space, and bro, yeah, it's good enough. I just don't know how to take off this thing right here. And also, right now, if you want to push the seat down, you just have to do is push the button. It, automatically goes down. You can do it for the second one to just push a button. It's just the convenience. How do you take this off now? Oh, there we go. There we go. I can sleep in it, bitch. Honestly, I can sleep in it, no problem at all. It's comfy, it's nice, bro. This is chill, man. This is chill. And then to just put the seat back up, all you just have to do is press the button again, and they all come up. And we put this one back like this. There we go. Honestly, the trunk space is nice, it's great. Ow, bro, so much space, man. Let's check out the front. Just push a button. Tuk tuk. Why did not make the tuk tuk sound? Alright, so I want to find the front, turn it open. My brain is. Oh, look at it here. Lord, there we go. Okay, so we've opened the front. Let's take a look at the front, man. Then we come here. I don't know why the front is not powered, bro. The front is a big ass size. I feel like I can fit in here. Almost. Or you can come here, you can chill, you know. If you're waiting for someone, they're not here yet, you can just come here, sit down and chill. It's nice. It's nice. I'm just oh my days. Lord. And this is where you put your wiper fluid and whatnot. Just your wiper fluid. And then just put it. Let's see if this one is flimsy, because the Tesla, like the front, the metal is always flimsy. This one has a better feel to it. It's still a bit flimsy, but it has a better feel to it. Alright, come on. Right now, let's play a game. Let's play a game of how many cameras does the 2025 Tesla Model Y have? Put your guesses in the comment in 3, 2, 1. 1, and go. We have one camera here. That's dark. Let me find it. One camera here. That's one. We come. There's 2 right here. There's 3. Then to the back. There's 4 right here. Where is it? Right here. Here, there's 4. Then there's 5 right here. And then finally there's 6. I know people who have said, I know people would have said there's 5, but there's actually 6, because the new Tesla Model Y comes with a front-facing camera. All Teslas don't come with a front-facing camera except this car. So that's a plus, man, you know. All right, so we've come to the end of our time with the 2025 Tesla Model Y, and honestly, should we get this car? I would like to say something. No car coming. I would like to say something. This car, honestly, compared to the old Tesla Model Y, this new one, there's not a lot of changes. There is a lot of changes. The interior, the exterior, obviously. All those ones are changed, obviously. The interior as well, the screen, the suspension, how the thing drives and stuff like that. It's quieter in the cabin and everything. Honestly, would I say you should go for this? Yes, if you have the money. If you don't have the money, get the old one. It's fine. There's nothing really too crazy about this. It feels similar, even though a lot has been changed. It still feels similar, which is not supposed to be. So, would I recommend this? Hell yeah, get it if you have the money. If you don't have money and the only money you have is to afford the old Tesla Model Y, I'll say go for that. It's been your boy Abnolimit. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.